MetLife, a very windy MetLife.
Sure.
Conniption.
I was thinking about this today.
The wind's having a conniption right now on it. There's like cotton flowing around right here. I don't know what's
I don't believe that's cotton.
This is New England.
He puts into playing the quarterback position.
I think there's 3 people in the NFL that teams run their offense through. Justin Jefferson is one. I think positive for them.
Positive.
Yeah, for Houston, hear me out. Okay. Any conversation that has to be around the MVP 100% has to include CJ Stroud. I'm telling everybody what he is doing is overcoming and covering up a lot of deficiencies right now in their offensive unit.
Because I'm just saying, you do not appreciate the level of difficulty you described until you see it on tape, until you see the tightness of windows, the pressure that he is under. He is making more special passes than any quarterback in the NFL this year.
I'm going to tell you what you don't understand the difficulty of. Mina talking with all that hair.
The wind is like blitzing Mina in the face, and she says, I don't care. I'm going to keep talking to the
out
ball.
here, like in one of those storms.
That's insane.
Never been under that much pressure.
By the way, earlier Mina was watching CJ Stroud film.